The tips of the injectors were very clean, no carbon. The bodies of the injectors were still shiny like they were brand new. If you get carbon packing in there, it just kind of turns them brown or black. No carbon buildup on your spray pattern there. You'll see where each fuel spray out of the tip of the injector is. No carbon.
So the spray pattern kind of shows me that the Dieselex Gold that I'm using is working.
Right, yes.
Yeah.
Very clean.
Yeah.
Million miles on this engine, there is no carbon buildup at all. On the sides, none. And the spray pattern, none. Most of the time, the spray pattern, you'll always have a carbon buildup. No carbon buildup at all. I mean, see these? You can read the part number on there.
Yeah.
You never can read the part number. So with this being in the truck for 1,000,000 miles, that's very surprising to see. If you had to take it apart at 100,000, you might see this. But when you're overhauling one at 400, 500, 600,000, you will see carbon buildup.
A close inside look at an engine. Its injectors, its piston tops, combustion chambers, and valves reveal the advantages of our total fuel system protection. The 8 components found in Dieselex Gold and the excellent fuel quality management of our FS system combine to ensure engines operate stronger, more efficiently, cleaner, and more economically. In this million-mile powerhouse, fueled exclusively with Dieselex Gold, all parts have been protected and kept clean to allow it to deliver the same power and performance at 1,000,000 miles as it did when new. Dieselex Gold. Power, efficiency, protection.